I'm Michael Fletcher and I am course tutor for Level 2 Access course at Newtown College. It covers a large variety of topics from health units to maths and English. The idea of the course is to bring people back into education. So we want to try and get people that maybe have left education early, maybe didn't get the qualifications they wanted, and this is the course for them. So it's a Level 2 course aimed at people that want to move on to a Level 3 course and then possibly university. One of the big things that we look at is maths and English skills. So we're looking at improving people's maths and English, and then hopefully that will enable them to get jobs and move on in any career they decide to do.